National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, western Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., Doppler radar heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, West Chester, Chester, Coatesville, Yedem, Westtown, Downingtown, Falkirk, Swarthmore, Kennett Square, Oxford, and Parkersburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 9. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 2 and 12. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 310 and 316. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. For the following areas.